Hello, beautiful kings and queens. You all are welcome to this channel. God bless you for coming. Today we are going to be making this yummy bread. First time in this channel. I decided to make video of it because I always make bread at home. I decided to make video of it to show one or two people out there. You all are welcome. My old subscribers, I love you. My new subscribers, I love you. You are welcome. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share. If I can do it, you can do it also. So simple. So this is butter, flour, salt, vanilla flavor, baking powder, nutmeg, and sugar, yeast. We are not going to be using the nutmeg, okay? So you have to put milk. This is milk. I'm going to be using milk with this cup. It's not up to the place I want. I want it to be 500. So this is empty. I have to put more milk because we are going to be warming the milk for some just temperature, not to be too hot, just little. So I'm going to be warming the milk right now, as you can see. Now I'm going to measure this flour with this plate because this one is a 2 kilo. I'm using 1 kilo to do this bread. Okay, you can decide to use the 2 kilo, depends on the amount you want. Okay, so but I'm using 1 kilo. So the next thing is to pour the milk because the milk is a little bit warm. Pour the milk. You take your yeast. This is my yeast, 1 sachet. I'm going to be putting 2 spoons of the yeast into it. You can decide to put 1.5. So I'm going to be putting 2 little spoons. So you just stir. After that, I take my sugar. I'm going to be adding 2 spoons. You can decide to add 1 spoon. You can decide not to add at all. It's not bad, okay? So after that, you stir. I'm going to be using my sieve to do this, like this, to sieve the flour. You can decide to not to do this, but you can decide to do it. It's not bad, wherever way you want. This bread is so simple as ABCD. You can be doing bread at home for your kids, for your loved ones, if you want. It's fun. It's not that hard. It's just simple as ABCD. I have been doing this. I have not made a video before. I say, why not make a video? Even though this is not my feed in this channel, but somebody can learn through it. Since I'm doing it at home, is to help other person too that can learn. Maybe 1 or 2 person can learn from this. It's so simple. This is baking powder. I'm putting half spoon. So this vanilla flavor, I'm putting just half spoon. This is salt. I am putting half spoon. Okay, so after that, you just break your egg. Remove the yolk. You can decide to put the yolk, but I'm taking only the white. You can decide to use 2 eggs, okay, for 1 kilo. So I'm using only 1. You start mixing and mixing. Remember, we have not add butter to it. Now we are going to go for butter. Now we're going to mash this butter this way. The way is strong. You can decide to melt the butter if you don't have strength of doing this. Sorry, the place is messed up. I have to be real, guys. I'm sorry. So just learn what you want to learn and just not judge. Okay, I'm going to clean it up when I'm done. Okay, so you can be doing your bread at home. As from today, maybe sometimes when I'm baking, I can make you to learn from it. I can teach you. I can make a video of it for you to learn. 1 or 2 person can learn out there too. So I cover it this way. I'll bring it out. You see the way it is right now. After covering it for 20 minutes, I bring it out. This is the way it is right now. You spread this flour the way I'm spreading it. You put the dough on top. After you start turning the dough, you start molding it. Mold it. You just have fun of it. So this is the pan I'm going to be using. I'm rubbing butter on it. If you don't have butter, rub oil, okay? Don't stress yourself. Don't give yourself headache for what you don't want. If you don't have butter, rub oil, which I know you will have butter. So I start cutting it this way. You can decide not to cut it this way. I just want to do this, okay? So after this cutting, what I'm going to be doing next is to just take one and roll it. You can decide to weigh it. I just use my head to know what the kind of level I want, okay? You can decide to weigh it 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo. Me, I don't want to do that, okay? You can easily do that. You can decide to just cut it. Just imagine the way you feel it will be, okay? So that is what I'm doing. If you don't understand, you can watch video again and again and again, or just write what you don't understand down below. I am going to reply you. Start doing your bread at home. Your Naija bread, your Africa bread, your agege bread, your homemade bread. Yummy with any time, any day. I can wake up and say that I want to do this. It cannot take you no time. So after doing this way, I'm going to roll the other one in the other pan. You just roll it this way because I'm putting butter now. So I will just start rolling the other one. You add flour to the ground. I will start rolling the other one. After I finish rolling it this way, you have to use the pan to measure it if it is the same length. So you just put it on top and maintain it this way. Cover it or put it inside a nylon bag. I'm putting it in a nylon bag. I'm going to be hiding it in a place that is so cool. This is the place I put it. I spread the towel on top, a clean towel, okay? So now I'm going to remove it after 20 minutes. You can decide to leave it for 30 minutes, but this is 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, look at the way it's turned to, okay? So now I'm going to be transferring it back to the oven. So now we are putting it in the oven now. The oven, I'm going to be putting it 180 and up and down. You can decide to put it in 170, 150. I leave it for 20 minutes. Now is done. 20 minutes is done. So I rub butter on it. I'm going to be rubbing butter on it to put it again for another 5 minutes, which everything will be 25 minutes. You see, 25 minutes, you are done with making your bread at home, and your children will love it, your husband will love it, because it will be yummy. I'm telling you, just try it. It's done. After 5 minutes, I'm through. I put it back. After 5 minutes, now I am done doing this. So simple as A, B, C, D. I'm bringing it out now from the oven. Oh my God, do you see this bread? Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Are you feeling it? Are you thinking of just holding it with your mouth, or with your chill coke, or with your chill malt, or with your chill tea? What are you thinking? Oh my God, so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. You can do this. If I can do this, start making your bread at home. Okay, you can do it. I trust you as a strong person. So this is the damper. Do you see the way it's beautiful? Now I turn it, start opening it. Guys, just look. Oh my God. Look at the softness. Look at the way it is inside. Do you remember just putting akara at the center? Start eating it. You are going to feel it. I'm telling you. You just open the center and put akara inside. But I don't have akara now. Oh my God. So yummy, guys. So yummy. I'm telling you. Look at the way it's soft. Oh my God, I love this. You can do it. Just do it and tag me with it. Just try it out. If you made a mistake, try it again. Mistake is acceptable. correct yourself. Don't be afraid to try. Don't judge me, okay, by putting in butter. I want to enjoy it with this butter and tea. Don't judge me, okay? Look at the way I'm enjoying it. Yummy, yummy. I love you all, guys. Subscribe, like, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know anytime I upload. I love you.